Welcome to Nutric Food Show 13th to 17th Ramadan 5 days diet plan. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more video updates. Take a high protein diet. Take dinner after Isha prayer. Wake up for Sehri on time. Meal items for 13th day Sehri: 1 cup banana walnut muffin, 1 glass low-fat homemade lassi, 2 dates, 2 spring rolls. Meal items for 14th day Sehri: 1 cup custard, handful of almonds, Zeera Aloo Bhaji, 1 whole wheat roti, half cup mint yogurt. Meal items for 15th day Sehri: cheesy mushroom omelet made of 2 eggs, 2 Bran bread slices, half plate boiled white chana, 1 cup milk or tea. Meal items for 16th day Sehri: 1 cup creamy mushroom soup, 2 slices bread omelet, 1 cup tea, 6 almonds. Meal items for 17th day Sehri: 1 handful piece baked fish, small portion of Bran boiled rice, 1 cup tea, 1 apple, 3 cashews.
وبصوم غد نويت من شهر رمضان. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Meal items for 13th Iftar: 2 dates, 1 glass fresh grapefruit juice, 1 bowl broccoli soup. Meal items for 14th Iftar: 2 dates, 3 small onion pakoras with tomato/green chili sauce. Meal items for 15th Iftar: 2 dates, 3 potato cutlets, half cup fruit chat. Meal items for 16th Iftar: 2 dates, half bowl red kidney bean salad with added spices, 1 glass lime water. Meal items for 17th Iftar: 2 dates, 1 bowl clear chicken broth, 2 potato cutlets with mint sauce.
اللهم إني لك صمت وبك آمنت وعليك توكلت وعلى رزقك أفطرت. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Meal items for 13th dinner: chickpea paneer curry, 1 cup boiled brown rice, 1 cup milk. Meal items for 14th dinner: 1 plate beef yakhni biryani, 1 cup mixed veg salad, 1 cup green tea. Meal items for 15th dinner: 1 whole wheat roti with mixed veg salad, 1 cup yogurt, 1 fist roasted beans. Meal items for 16th dinner: 1 dal made roti with low-fat yogurt, 1 cup tea. Meal items for 17th dinner: 1 roti, 2 small baked lean meat slices, half cup skimmed yogurt. Exercise for 13th day: 20 minutes jogging,
5 minutes side bends.
No exercise for 14th day. Exercise for 15th day: 20 minutes fast running,
15 minutes yoga.
no exercise for 16th day. Exercise for 17th day:
10 minutes long-term crunches.
7 side bends. Don't forget to like, share, comment this video and subscribe our channel.